Good morning, bebe ko. Good ba? Yes? Yes? Sleep well? Ganda tulog? Ganda rin gising eh, oh. Panay ang smile eh. Good morning. Wow, nag-i-stretch ka pa, ha? Yes? Are you hungry? Ha? Are you? Are you? Stretch ng stretch, oh. Nagpapatangkad. Good morning. Nye, good nga yung morning ng baby ko. Oh, panay ang smile. Walang topak. Wala. Happy? Yes, are you happy? Did you get a good night's sleep? Think so. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Huh? You wanna eat now? Yes. Ah, Tatay. Good morning, Tatay. And I like your smile. Really? Huh? Oo nga, no? You had a good night's sleep, but Tatay, no, because you keep on kicking Tatay, eh. Uy! Nanay, oh.
Hello.
Nanay, good morning.
Hungry ka na? Pwede ka?
Oo, you're not smiling at Nanay.
Nakatingin ka sa red?
Smile, Nanay, na. Give Nanay a smile. Good morning, Nanay.
Bakit ka nakatitig sa akin? Inabi ba kita?
Ba't ayaw mo smile si Nanay? Ano yung nasa ilong niya, ba't basa? Natuluan mo.
Ay! Ano ba yan? Ano?
Kala ko tuloy sipon.
Ay? Ay?
Good morning ka kasi, Nanay.
Morning!
Yay! Good morning din si Nanay. Tatay will go to church today. Huh? Be good, right? Yay!